Hello everyone, welcome you all in this learning session of Impress Part 2. Already we have discussed some MCQs regarding modifying slides in OO Impress, OpenOffice Impress. So already we have discussed these 10 MCQs. Let us go ahead of this. Today we will discuss presentation, some various effects in presentations, how this presentation can be made professional with the help of adding some special effects to our presentation. So question number 1 is of today's session, and question number 11 of this Impress session. So when a presentation is presented to the audience in full screen mode, it is called, and your options are slide presentation, slideshow, slide height, or slide exposure. So here the right option is option B, slideshow. When the presentation is presented to the audience in full screen mode, where slides appear one after another, is called slideshow. Question number 12 is, to navigate in a presentation, we use dash keys. Option A is arrow keys. Option B is mouse click. Option C is both A and B. And option D is none of the above. And here the right option is option C, both A and B. Means both arrow keys and mouse click. So to navigate in a presentation, navigate means moving from one slide to another. So to move from one slide to another, we use arrow keys or mouse click. To move to next slide, we used down arrow keys or right arrow keys, and to move back to the previous slide, we use up arrow keys or left arrow keys. So question number 13th is, to exit slideshow, we press option A is caps lock key, option B is space bar key, option C is escape key, and option D is shift key. And here the right option is option C, escape key. So for coming back to the normal screen mode or to exit slideshow, we press the escape key, and short form of it is ESC. Now next question is, can we hide a slide during slideshow? Options are true or false, yes or no. So here the right option is yes. So we can hide our slides during slideshow. Sometimes we don't want to show a particular slide during the slideshow. For this purpose, we can hide our slides, and that particular slide will not be shown during the slide presentation, slideshow. Next question is, we can insert various features in our slides like header and footer. Option B is slide number, option C is date and time, and option D is all of the above. So here the right option is all of the above. We can insert all these various fields in our slide to give it more professional appearance. So header and footer, slide number, date and time, these all can be added to our slides to make the slides more to make the slides to look more professional. Now, question number 17 is slide transition means, or question number 16 is, can we insert header and footers in OpenOffice Writer also? As we have discussed, to give various professional appearances to our presentation, we can add header and footer, slide number, date and time, these all effects to our presentation. Similarly, in Writer also, we can add header and footer to our document. Now, question 17 is, slide transition means animation effect, sound effect, font effect, or none of the above. Now, what is transition? Transition means slide transition is a special animation like effect that occur during the slideshow when we move from one slide to another. In other words, we can also say that slide transition are the animation like effects that occur during slideshow. So these are the moving effects. When these moving effects are shown on the slide during presentation is known as transition effect. So here the question are, options are applied various slide transition means animation effect, sound effect, font effect, or none of the above. So slide transition means animation effect. Question number 18 is, various slide transition options are applied to selected slide, modify transition, advanced slides, or all of the above. So here the right option is all of the above. There are various options available in slide transition like apply to selected slides, modify transition, advanced slides. So right option is all of the above. Now next question is, footnote visible to audience during slideshow, yes or no? So whatever comment we write in footnote, that is not visible to audience. Okay, so in footnote, is footnote visible to the audience during slideshow? Yes, no, partially. So here the right option is no. We can add note or comments to the slides. These notes are useful to the presenter while presenting the slide to the audience. These notes are not visible to the audience during the slide, so it is just useful for the presenter by presenting his or her slide. Now last question of this session is, can we add password to our presentation? Yes, we can add a password to our presentation when we want our presentation to make secure so that others could not see it without our permission. We can add password to our presentation. So that's all for today's session. Thank you, and still continue your enhancing of your subject, and we will meet again in next video. Please like and subscribe.